Welcome, I'm Dragon, and today I've made a tree, or multiple trees, which I've 3D printed and put on Etsy. But anyway, I think I found a cool way to make these low poly trees, and wanted to show you how I did it. They also allow you to make strange animations, and really just have fun playing around with a sort of array. So yes, this will be a tutorial, but a very basic one, and with that, let's just hop straight into it. To start, you will need to add a cone, and then add an array modifier to it. You would then need to make the array modifier go downwards on the z-axis. Personally, I used a value of 0.48, and yes, it is a negative number. Now we need an empty. It doesn't really matter which one. Then you can go back into the array modifier and check object offset and select the empty. Once this is done, you can now scale, rotate, or move the empty, which will cause these cool effects. And if you're just wanting this for the low poly tree, then you will need to increase count on the array modifier and scale it upward a little bit, and then pretty much just customize it until you think it looks good. You can also bevel the bottom of the trees to make the bottom look a little better, but that's up to opinion, of course. Well, there you have it. You now have a tree, a low poly tree, that you can use in your world or really do anything you want with it. So yeah, it definitely was a quick tutorial, but at least you can do it with silly animations like this quickly. Well, other than that, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and here's a YouTube short I made about these trees earlier if you haven't seen it anyway. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one, and bye!